master program in wind power project management?
I'm a chemical engineer, so I studied a Bachelor of Science degree, also in Mexico as a chemical engineer. That's my educational background prior to the wind power project management program.
Mm-hmm. And why did a chemical engineer choose to study wind power project management on Gotland?
After graduating as a chemical engineer, I worked as a management consultant where I was exposed to different industries. And after some years experiencing differences and different interests as well, I realized I wanted to get into the renewable energy industry. When doing so and investigating the potential masters to get into this, I found about the wind power project management here in Visby.
And how was your experience studying the master?
I think it's great. I liked it. I loved it. It was a really good year, and it was also very useful towards my development and my career. Being the sole target to get into the renewable energy industry, today I can say that that was accomplished. It was a successful move. So while studying here was also interesting to experience the cultural differences and different international backgrounds that I was able to interact with. So it was an interesting, different experience to somebody with my profile. And it was also very enlightening to learn a bit into the depths of the wind energy industry.
Nice. And well, you were saying that by studying here, it opened you some doors towards the industry. So where are you working now, if I can ask? And how did this master really help you getting there?
I am working today as a product manager for the maintenance product line in Vestas on the service business unit. And definitely I can say that studying this masters has been instrumental to get into what I do today. Prior to this role, I have been holding positions in different companies that was focusing on developing and operating wind farms. And the way how I got into those positions or got those jobs, the first job, was directly linked to the topic that I wrote about in my thesis.
Okay.
Which I wrote in cooperation with a company here in Sweden.
Okay.
So I could say that...
can you tell me the name of the company?
I wrote my thesis with Vattenfall here in Sweden, and the topic of my thesis was of very much interest to the company that later on hired me in Denmark, Dong Energy, to the point that I was, after I was hired, doing analysis and having a day-to-day on my tasks that was very, very much looking like the questions that I had to answer in my thesis. So it was very good.
Okay, thank you very much, Hector. And well, wish you the best for your future.
Thank you.